Welcome to this instructional video on how to reduce the rational expression x squared minus 64 divided by x plus 8 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will walk through the step-by-step process of simplifying this expression so that it is in its simplest form. Let's get started. In step 1, we start by simplifying the numerator of the rational expression. The given expression is x squared minus 64 divided by x plus 8. Notice that x squared minus 64 is a difference of squares. A difference of squares can be factored into the form a squared minus b squared equals a minus b times a plus b. Here, a is x and b is 8. So, we factor x squared minus 64 as x minus 8 times x plus 8. The expression now becomes x minus 8 times x plus 8 divided by x plus 8. In this step, the given expression is altered by factoring the numerator using the difference of squares method. Now, we proceed to cancel common factors in the next step. In step 2, we simplify the expression by canceling the common factors in the numerator and the denominator. From step 1, the expression is altered to x minus 8 times x plus 8 divided by x plus 8. We notice that x plus 8 is present in both the numerator and the denominator. The next step involves canceling the x plus 8 factor from both the numerator and the denominator, which simplifies the expression. After canceling, we are left with x minus 8. Therefore, the rational expression is reduced to its lowest terms as x minus 8. This is the final step in simplifying the rational expression.